Hey everyone, back out at Fox Creek today, riding the Green Smoothie trail. I've been experimenting with different camera setups and mounting positions lately to see what captures the most stable and immersive footage. For this ride, I made a few tweaks based on a really solid guide I came across on suspension-traveler.com. It breaks down the best settings for mountain biking with the DJI Action 4. For this setup, I went with auto exposure, but manually locked in a shutter speed between 1/400th and 1/8000th. That range helps freeze motion and keeps the footage sharp, even on fast downhill sections. The ISO range was set from 100 to 800 to minimise noise, and I dialed the EV down to -0.3 to help avoid overexposed highlights. I also locked the white balance at 5500 kelvins for consistent colour throughout the ride, no matter the lighting changes on the trail. For stabilization, I used RockSteady, not RockSteady Plus, which gives a nice balance between smoothness and retaining the natural feel of the terrain. I also decided to switch to a shoulder mount for this ride, instead of my usual head mount. The idea was to get a better perspective, one that still captures the trail clearly, but also brings in the handlebars. Including the bars gives a stronger sense of speed and movement, which really helps the footage come alive. If you're curious to compare, you can check out the headcam footage by clicking the card on the screen now. Let me know what you think of the setup. Is it working? Could it be better? If you've got any suggestions or tips, I'd love to hear them in the comments. And if you're enjoying this kind of content, a like or a subscribe would mean a lot and help support the channel. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the next ride.